Migration. Migration is moving from one place to another place, but not just a little move, like from your room to the kitchen. You go from your room to the kitchen just to grab a chocolate. That is moving. But it's not a migration. It is too short and you are still at home. Migration happens when people move far away, like from one town to another, or even from one country to another. Not only humans migrate, animals and birds migrate too. Why they migrate, we will discuss later. Let's meet some amazing migration travelers. First one is cranes. These tall, elegant birds fly in a big V shape across the sky. They travel thousands of kilometers every year to find warm places. You can spot them high up, looking like the little arrows in the sky. Arctic tern. The world's longest traveler. This tiny bird flies from the North Pole to the South Pole. That's like going around the world and then going again. Monarch butterflies. These beautiful orange butterflies travel huge distances. Their wings look like flying petals while they migrate. Wild beasts. They move in a giant groups across Africa to find fresh grass. It looks like a giant animal parade. Humpback whales. These gentle giants swim from cold oceans to warm oceans every year. They travel while singing their special whale songs. So, why do humans, animals and birds migrate? Why do they travel so far away? Let's find out. First reason is to find food. Sometimes their old home doesn't have enough food. So they travel to a place where they can find yummy, fresh food to eat. Second reason is to stay warm. When winter becomes too cold, many birds and animals move to a warmer place where the sun shines bright and they can stay cozy. Third reason is to stay safe. Some places become unsafe because of storms, floods or danger. So humans and animals migrate to a safer, peaceful place. Reason 4 is to find better life. Sometimes people move to find better schools, better jobs, or to live near their family. It's like starting a new adventure in a new home. So kids, migrations happen because everyone Humans, birds, and animals want food, safety, warmth, and a happy place to live, just like all of us. And also remember, December 18th is International Migratory Day, a day to celebrate all the amazing journeys of humans, animals, and birds. If you like my video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.